Okay, this video is just going to walk you through the first part of this assignment, and it's going to be finding three different cars that are comparable. So if you're choosing a Honda Accord, you should choose like a Toyota Camry um, versus a Toyota Corolla. You want to compare a Corolla and Accord, you would compare the Camry and the Accord. You would compare the Civic and the Corolla. Truck wise, you wouldn't compare a half ton with a 3/4 ton, or you wouldn't compare gas with the diesel or anything like that. So you need to make sure that you're choosing cars that are apples to apples. To get the most out of this assignment, you want to choose a car that maybe you're interested in looking at buying down the road. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and fill in column A here for car A, and then car B and C, you will find information on as well. So once again, I am going to run through an example for you. I also have some notes posted along with this for your reference. We're just going to fill in right now 1 through 6. Okay, so we're going to get the base price, we're going to find some options, we're going to get the total price with options, we're going to calculate 6% sales tax, and then we're going to add that on to our price, and that's going to give us our total price with tax. So without wasting any more time here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run to Kelley Blue Book. I will say this while I'm navigating to Kelley Blue Book, you want to make sure you read the rubric. This is a summative project, and the packet has a bunch of criteria on it, so make sure you're looking through that and you're filling this out. If it says show your work, show your work. That's what you're going to get credit for. All of my notes, I show you exactly what I need you to show me for work. So basically you're just following my example, pretty straightforward. So when you get to Kelley Blue Book, scroll down here to search new cars by. You can choose whatever you want to choose. I find it easiest to use make, so I'm going to choose Chevy. I'm going to search Chevy trucks. I'm going to choose a 2500 crew cab. All right, now if we go back to this page, we're type in here 2500 Chevrolet Crew Cab or Chevy Crew Cab, and we're going to look for the base price first, and that's the MSRP. So I'm just going to go ahead and click right here on Build and Price. It's going to bring me to this next page. I'm going to choose Work Truck. I'm going to choose a 4-wheel drive, 6.5-foot box. I'm not going to select any other options. I just want this plain Jane truck. I'm going to click see fair purchase price. This is going to give me the MSRP to put back up here for the base price. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. This is my MSRP, $42,695. So I'd fill that in here. All right, now we're going to go back. We're going to choose some options. So just hit the back button. Go back one more. All right. So instead of choosing just a plain work truck, I'm going to go ahead and choose the, let's go LTZ, and we're going to go 4-wheel drive, 6.5-foot box, and then scroll down. I'm going to go here to options. Options, I'm going to choose a couple here extra add-ons that I would like. So I'm going to choose some floor liners. We're going to do some bed accessories here. Let's see, assist step. So we'll put some bars on it, some chrome Nerf bars, and then we're going to get a spray-in liner, bed liner, spray on, and then we're going to get a tonneau cover as well. And then we're going to scroll all the way down here, and we're going to say see fair purchase price. All right, and here's our fair purchase price of this, basically $56,000. So we'll kind of keep that $56,000 in mind. Now, if you take a look here at the notes that I'm giving you, they're posted with this video. This is just the first part. I'm going to break this down to several different chunks, but basically I take you through how to calculate those the tax and so on. So if we're looking at a Chevy 1500, like I said, we filled it in up here crew. The work truck, the MSRP was about $40,000 on the base model. Here's my options, and then for 4, I put in my base price, $56,000. I calculated the sales tax by multiplying my list price by 0.06, gave me 3,360. And then to find number 6 here, which is the total price with tax, you just add what you calculated here together, and that's going to give us $59,360. And that is all we're going to find for car A. So then what we do is we take a look at car B. Now in this case, you're going to have to find a 3/4 ton truck, either a Ford, a Dodge. You can look into Toyota as well, but you need to find 2 other comparables to compare here for the 3/4 ton. Now, I chose to go with the 3/4 ton pickup truck. You do not need to do this. My example is only an example. In fact, I don't expect anybody to fill in their sheet with what I chose as an example. You need to go out and find a car that you're interested in, and you need to fill out all the information 1 through 6 for car A, car B, and car C, not using the information I just went through. That was just for an example. When you're done with this, you move on to the next section. That's calculating financing.